Hello, this is Greg from SharePoint Maven, and in today's video, I would like to show you and explain to you how you can create a knowledge base, a frequently asked questions module, if you will, using the collapsible sections in SharePoint Online. There are actually a few ways to create frequently asked questions in SharePoint. As a matter of fact, I already recorded a video. You can find it on my YouTube channel on how to create a frequently asked questions using the custom lists. But today I want to show you a different way to do so using SharePoint Pages, and to be precise, using the collapsible sections on SharePoint Pages. Let me show you, let me explain to you what I'm talking about. So here I have this main internet home site, and of course the sites consist of, they consist of pages. I have this page over here, and I would like to add a frequently asked questions kind of module over here in this area. So I'm going to click the edit button. And what you need to do is, we're going to hit the plus sign. Let's add one column where I'm adding a section over here, a section to the page. All right. And essentially here, let me just show you first. If I click this edit button, of course, I can change my layouts, but most importantly, I can make this section collapsible. So let me do just that. And when you do that, what's going to happen is you're going to get this kind of arrow pointing up, right? This is how you kind of expand or collapse the section. All right, and then let's just say this will be whatever the header is of your knowledge, base, maybe, or if you're building a frequently asked questions, that will be your question. So how to change passwords? All right, here we go. So that's a question. And then when you are done over here, right, this is where, of course, I want to add a response. Now, the beauty is because we're dealing with pages here, you can add literally any widget, any web part that you see here. In our case, let's add the actual answer. Please please email IT. All right, so that will be, and maybe there is an email address or something in here. All right. So essentially, you add a section, and in that section, you capture the question and the answer. Let me show you a few more things that are available in terms of configuration. So we made it collapsible already. We can change the alignment, right, of that icon. We can add divider between questions, right? Let's add that. And then we can also say whether we want it to be expanded or not by default. Let's make it collapsed by default, all right, shall we? Let's add another one. I just want to show you how it's all going to look. I'm going to add another section. Once again, the key here is to make it collapsible, just like that. Let's add divider. Again, how to request vacation, all right? Here I'm going to provide the answer once again. Now, once again, the beauty is I could add some text, or another alternative, maybe let's say you have a vacation form, right? What you can do is you can literally just embed maybe a particular form, a vacation request form right in here. So when people, navigate to this question, they expand it, they will see a form that they have to, populate. Actually, you know what? Let me do just that. I'm going to actually pick one of the forms. Here we go. I happen to have a vacation request form. I'm going to grab the URL just like that. Yeah, let's add existing one. I'm going to paste that URL. All right, perfect. Click OK. So here we go. You see, that's what I meant. All right. So when people expand this, they're going to see the form, right? Yeah, let's make this collapsed as well. Let me republish it. So we're done. We created both sections we wanted. Of course, you can create additional ones. Let me republish it now. And that's essentially how it will look like. You see, this is my main internet site again. And at the bottom, I added, essentially, I added, this accordion style, I guess, questions and answers. And as users as users, pretty much expand those, they will get to see obviously the question plus whatever the answer is. And in this case, this is what I wanted to show you. This is this vacation request form. So people don't even need to navigate away from this page. They can pretty much get the answer and submit maybe even a vacation request right in here, right from the page. All right. So that's all I really wanted to show you in this quick video. I think it's a nice addition to SharePoint Online. I think sky's the limit, right? In terms of what you can build with this. You can build a frequently asked questions, I guess, list. You can build some sort of maybe knowledge base. And the beauty is, there are a few configuration options available to make it, I guess, to make it pretty looking on your page. All right. Once again, that's all I wanted to show you in this quick video. Hopefully you learned something new. As always, happy to see you on my blog, sharepointmaven.com, as well as my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.